How to open a PDF file in Android. In today's digital world, you've probably come across PDFs. Those handy files used for all kinds of stuff like work reports, user manuals, and even ebooks. They're like the universal language of documents. So if you've got an Android phone, good news! There are apps that make it super easy to open and read these PDF files. And that's what I'm here for today, to show you how to open PDFs on your Android gadget. No matter if you're into the apps that came with your device or want to explore some new ones, I've got your back. Imagine you're looking at your files and you tap on a PDF for the very first time. Or maybe you don't have a go-to app for opening these files. Guess what happens? You get a bunch of choices right there in your file manager. These apps don't have to be only for PDFs. They can be everyday apps like Microsoft Office, Samsung Notes, and Google Drive. And they're pretty good at handling PDFs too. So when you select one of these apps and choose just once, it's like saying, let's give this a try. The next time you open a PDF, you'll get to pick again. Now, if you're thinking, this app is my PDF soulmate, you can select Always. It's like setting a default. So the next time you tap a PDF, it just opens right up with that app. Sometimes your Android might say it can't open a PDF or there's no app for it. Don't worry, just head over to the Google Play Store. Search for a PDF viewer. You can just enter PDF and it will come back with a long list of PDF viewers you can choose from. But a safe choice would be the one with lots of downloads and good ratings. That means it's well liked by other people. Click Install, and you're all set to explore PDFs. If you've already set a default app but want to change to a new one, just go into your settings. Scroll down to Apps. Choose Default Apps. Then tap on Opening Links at the bottom. Find the default app that's set to open your PDFs. Then tap on the Clear button. The next time you tap on a PDF, you will get to choose an app to open it with again. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel.